good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well, fit and fine, fantastic. I'm also doing great. And first of all, I want to say sorry because I couldn't make video. Yes, it has been past 6 days that I'm not making video because I got over my recharge. That's why I didn't make video. Now I came here for practicing English. As you know, every morning I come here for practicing English. So I came here for practicing English, and if you are beginner like me, then you should find this type of alone place for practicing English. And I always prefer morning time for practicing English, and it will help you to speak English properly. No one disturb you and any sound you can hear. So that's why I'm telling you. And if you are beginner, then you should watch this video. And today topic is you can understand English but you are afraid of speaking English. Yes, I felt this problem while when I was beginner like you. That time I felt this problem, so I thought that I will discuss this problem in this video. So please keep watching my video till the end, and you should keep watching this video till the end. And before we dive into my topic, I will say something. That's it. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos to speak English fluently, confidently. If you are beginner like me, then you can, if you want to more fluent, then you should watch this type of video. And don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more video to speak English fluently in a better way. You can express your all opinion, as you can say. And have a look, first of all, how's the weather. Have a look how is the weather. It's foggy morning, and it's quite normal to see fog in this season. And among there are 6 seasons in India, and among of them I like only summer season. Yes, I don't like winter season because sun doesn't rise quickly, as well as it's pretty cold outside. That's why I don't like, as you can say. And in this video I will discuss you can understand English but you are afraid of speaking English. So let's start it without delay. So my main topic is we can understand English but we are afraid of speaking English because if we speak English in front of other, we can make mistake. It's a main problem. That's why we are not able to speak English in front of them. But I will tell you, making mistake is a normal thing, and all beginners, all speaking in learner, all learners, they fail this problem already, and they failed this problem already, and they know how to overcome. If you don't know how to overcome this problem, then you must watch this video, and I will say how I overcome this problem. I can understand English, and I always try to speak English in front of them. And I used to solve grammar quiz question, and I can read English book, I can read English story book, but I am not able to speak English. That time I thought that how can I speak English? I'm because I want to be fluent English speaker, I have to speak English. I want to improving my speaking English skill. So whatever I learned, whatever I read, all things I started to describing my daily routine, daily activity. Yes, every day apply all things, all word in my day-to-day life, then I am being able to speak English. You can understand English, but you are not afraid of speaking English. The most main reason, that's why you are not applying your day-to-day life, those things, those words, those vocabulary. You have to describe all things in your daily activity. After waking up to before going to bed, you whatever you do, you have to describing all things. You can make mistake, it's a normal thing, and every mistake you can you have to learn from them. Every single mistake you have to learn something from them, where you are making mistake and how I making mistake, why you are making mistake. You have to learn from them, and I'm sure, because I also did it, and every day with practice, every day I can practice English, and every day after practicing English I can speak English. I know I make mistake, and I started to talk with myself. Yes, I started do it. I started doing it to talk with myself, and it helped me a lot to speak English really. And nowadays also I'm doing it to speak every time while doing anything. That time I practice English, like while cooking, while household chores, while going to market, and while eating. All things I describe already, I describe and my daily routine in English. I try to speak English, and it's not our native language, so what should we do to speak like native language? No need to do, you have to practice every day. If you practice every day, then you will be able to speak English. Practice something that really I believe it, and it helped me a lot to speak English in front of you. I know, that's why you are not able to speak English properly. You can make mistake, don't worry about it, and it's a part of learning English. Don't think about it, keep going and keep learning, and I'm sure this video will help you a lot to practice English. How do you practice, and how can you understand, how can you speak English, and how can this overcome this problem? Don't afraid of speaking English. You can speak English freely, and it's, I have already said, it's our it's our not a native language, but you can use this language like freely. Yes, you can use this language. We have to use this language freely like native speaker. So you have to practice every day. This type of small practices will help you a lot to speak English in a professionally better, in a better way. You can express your all opinion, believe me, and I also believe it. And I never join any paid course, and I practice every day, and I believe myself, then I can do it, and I have to do it. And whenever I get free time, I must speak English. I must try to learn this language. And it, whenever, as you know, whenever you can speak English, then whenever you try to learn new language, it takes time. Don't think about it, and you learn this language in a better way. Day by day you can learn, and if you follow this type of tips or tricks for practicing English, for improving your speaking English, then you will must get success. No one can stop you to get success, believe me. I also believe it. And now learning English is a marathon, yes, not a sprint. Thank you for watching my video. So bye bye, see you again. I have to leave now, so thank you for watching my video. God be with you.